Yo, what is up guys, this is Harry from HadiTech, back with another video. In today's video guys, we're going to be showing you one of the best platforms to actually earn money. This platform will allow you, or will enable you to actually earn money from $20 to $120 per each task. This website is actually a research website, so basically you will be doing surveys kinda. Platform of course is called Respondent, and you can look it up. It has some decent reviews, and this platform also pays very well. Like I said, depends on your profile and depends on the location where you live and where you're from. So essentially people from Europe and US will get paid more than other people or other region in the world, so make sure to keep that in mind as well. And if we go to the studies or the research quests that are available, as there's like loads of them. This one is looking for food reviews or something like that, and you will get paid $75 to actually do this task. This one is looking for some people that lives in this area, and you'll get paid $150 in order to do that. And there is loads of these tasks, as you can see: $10, $100, $80, $50, $25 for these studies. As you can see, some of them are easy, you can do under like 25 minutes, some of them are going up to 45 minutes, and some of them do not even take that much. So definitely there are some lucrative opportunities in here. So if you want to actually get started with Respondent, all you need to do is just click sign up in here, and it will take you to the sign up page. And all you need to do is just select I am a participant, not a researcher. And I do advise you to log in with your LinkedIn account. If you have a fully customized LinkedIn profile, then go ahead and log in with your LinkedIn profile, because that will just skip a step later on, which is linking your LinkedIn profile. And if you don't have a LinkedIn profile, then go ahead and just use your regular email. Once you do that, go ahead and create your account. All right, once you log in, the first thing that you need to do is just go ahead and click on my account and click on edit your profile, and you need to actually fill in all the details that you have in here. You need to fill all the details carefully. You need to put in your first name, last name, and also put in your PayPal, like I said, because they're gonna pay you via PayPal, or they will give you gift cards. It depends on the researcher. So basically the researcher controls how they're gonna pay you. Also, you're gonna select the topics from here, the topics that you are or you do have knowledge in. So select all of them. Also click on topics and select some topics that you are interested in. That way you will see studies regarding these topics. Also go to the skills tab and also put in 3 skills that you hone or you do master. Scroll all the way to fill in the demographics tab as well, the social media, the employment status, and the personal information in here, technical information as well. So fill in all of these details in your profile, because the more you put in info about yourself, the more studies that you will get essentially. So that's what you need to do. And everything should be fine in here. Social networks, then go to social networks. Like I said, if you have a LinkedIn account, then link your LinkedIn account, Facebook account as well. And if you already joined with your LinkedIn account, then you don't need to do that. All you need to do is just connect your Facebook account, then you are done. Once you do that, click on dashboard, and as you can see in here, you will see the research or the studies that you can join. And if your profile is a good match, you will have this green bar or green tick that says you are a good match, and you can get enrolled with this study essentially. So this one is actually paying $40 to conduct this research and give our opinion about this, and it only takes 20 minutes. So you can do that. All you need to do is just click on it, then move on with some screening tests. They will ask you some generic questions about the study itself, and you need to actually answer them. Also, this one is paying $50 to actually test a mobile app, I guess, and it takes only 20 minutes to do that. So let's just say click on this one, for example. This is what you will see, or this is the testing tab. All you need to do is click on start screener and finish the tests. Obviously I'm not gonna take the tests in here, but what I need to do is just finish the test, finish all of these questions. And so once you do that, click on my projects in here, leave screen error, and you can see the status of the project name that you just submitted. So once you submit your screener tests, you will receive approval or disapproval from the research themselves. So if you get approved, it will say here submit it like this, and you will just need to wait. Then they will email you back again saying that, you know, we need to actually finish the research. Once you do that, everything should be fine, and you will receive your money via PayPal or as in gift cards, like I said before. So like I said, guys, this is just a simple website to actually make some decent income on the side, and you could look it up yourself. Like I said, it's just a trusted website where you can do some research under 20 minutes and earn money from that. So this was our video for today. If you found it quite helpful, then drop a like, comment down below if you have any questions. The social media links will be also in the description down below. And yeah, take care of yourselves, guys. See you in the next one, and peace.